Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Khatri. Students, in today's video we are going to learn how we can talk to each other while making arguments. In simple words we can say हम एक दूसरे से आर्ग्यूमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम एक दूसरे से झगड़े में बात कैसे कर सकते हैं. So let's start. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. This doesn't make sense. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. Or if you wanna say someone, मुझे तुम पे यकीन नहीं. I don't believe you. Oh my God. मुझे तुम पे यकीन नहीं. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Next one. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. I have no idea. Or you can say I really have no idea. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, if you wanna say someone गुस्सा थूक दो, calm down. गुस्सा थूक दो, calm down. Calm down means पुरसकून हो जाओ, गुस्सा मत करो, relax. Right? गुस्सा थूक दो, calm down. The word is calm down. L is silent here. Calm down. ये मुकम्मल तौर पर सच नहीं है. That's not completely true. That's not completely true. ये मुकम्मल तौर पर सच नहीं है. That's not completely true. तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. You can't be serious. Like this is a situation you want to say someone like I don't believe you. You are not speaking truth. Okay? तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. You can't be serious. You can't be serious. तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. You can't be serious. ये तो झूठ है. That's a lie. ये तो झूठ है. That's a lie. मैं अभी भी मुतमिन नहीं हुआ. I'm still not convinced. मैं अभी भी मुतमिन नहीं हुआ. I'm still not convinced. The word is convinced. I'm still not convinced. मैं अभी भी मुतमिन नहीं हुआ. I'm still not convinced. Okay, the next one. Oh my God. इख्तिलाफ करने पर इत्तेफाक करें. Agree to disagree. Agree to disagree. Like if you wanna get together and you are you want to be against someone, right? And you want that we all should stand against the other person, then you will definitely say इख्तिलाफ करने पर इत्तेफाक कीजिए. Agree to disagree. Agree to disagree. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay, the next one. The next one, you should practice these sentences with me at least 2 times. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. जो भी हो, whatever. Okay, this is the word usually we use in daily routine. जो भी हो, whatever. Like I damn care, whatever. जो भी हो, whatever. whatever. Okay, the next one. बस कर दो, cut it out. बस कर दो, cut it out. Like enough, enough. बस कर दो, cut it out. तुम खुद को समझते क्या हो? What do you think you are? तुम खुद को समझते क्या हो? What do you think you are? What do you think you are? Okay, the next one, very important. जुबान संभाल के, watch your mouth. जुबान संभाल के, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Okay, the next one. तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हो. You are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. The word is listen. T is silent here. You are not listening to me. तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हो. You are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. I think if you will listen to me carefully and you will practice these sentences, you will definitely learn something within 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Right? Okay. मुझे यकीन है कि I believe that. Like this is the situation when you don't want to say everything to the person. जब आप next person से कुछ भी complete नहीं कहना चाहते हैं and you disagree with the person and you don't want to be in some kind of conflict and you simply say I believe that. Right? I believe that. मुझे यकीन है कि dots mean like there is something you want to say but you stop your talking. Right? मुझे यकीन है कि I believe that. I believe that. Next one. सबसे अहम, most importantly. सबसे अहम, most importantly. This is the one which we can also use while making argument with someone. सबसे अहम, most importantly. Most importantly. दूसरी तरफ, on the other hand. दूसरी तरफ, on the other hand. दूसरी तरफ, on the other hand. लेकिन हमें ये याद रखना चाहिए कि but we must remember that. लेकिन हमें ये याद रखना चाहिए कि but we must remember that. But we must remember that. Okay, मैं समझ सकता हूँ लेकिन I can understand but. Okay, like you are helpless, you cannot do something. I can understand but. मैं समझ सकता हूँ लेकिन I can understand but. Like you want to say I can't help you, I can't do it. I can understand but. I can understand but. हालांकि ये सच है लेकिन although it is true but again this is a kind of argument. हालांकि ये सच है लेकिन although it is true but. Although it is true but. The word is although. G is silent here. हालांकि ये सच है लेकिन although it is true but. हतमी तौर पर as a final word or simply the most important word we use in daily routine, that is finally. हतमी तौर पर finally or as a final word, like this is the decision I am going to make, this is going to be the final one. As a final word, or you can say finally. Finally. Okay, दूसरी तरफ when you want to extend the thing and you are just trying to continue the argument, so you can say दूसरी तरफ firstly, secondly, thirdly. Like this is the way to extend your argument. You don't want to stop yourself and you are just trying to explain the thing in an aggressive mode to some person. Then you will talk to that person in such a way. Firstly, I want to say this. Secondly, and thirdly, and fourthly, and so on, etc., etc. Right? Firstly, secondly, thirdly. मिसाल के तौर पर, for instance, or you can say for example. मिसाल के तौर पर, for instance, or for example. For instance, or for example. तुम समझ नहीं रहे कि मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. You don't understand what I say. You don't understand what I say. तुम समझ नहीं रहे कि मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. You don't understand what I say. छोड़ो, तुम्हें समझ आता ही नहीं है. Oh my God. Never mind. You never get it. Never mind. You never get it. छोड़ो, तुम्हें समझ आता ही नहीं है. Never mind. You never get it. Never mind. You never get it. The next one is going to be the easiest one. Okay. आपको मेरी कभी परवाह नहीं. You never care about me. आपको मेरी कभी परवाह नहीं. You never care about me. परवाह mean care करना, right? You never care about me. तुम हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा ही करते हो. You always do this to me. तुम हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा ही करते हो. You always do this to me. You always do this to me. तुम हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा ही करते हो. You always do this to me. Okay, oh my God, the next one. बकते रहो. Talk to my hand. Talk to my hand. Whenever you want to say someone like I damn care, whatever you will say. बकते रहो. Talk to my hand. Talk to my hand. Talk to my hand. Okay, अपने काम से काम रखो. Get a life. अपने काम से काम रखो. Get a life. Get a life. अपने काम से काम रखो. Okay, बड़े हो जाओ. Grow up. The simplest one. Grow up. बड़े हो जाओ. Be mature. बड़े हो जाओ. Grow up. Grow up. बड़े हो जाओ. बच्चे कैंडी पर झगड़ रहे थे. The kids were squabbling over a candy. बच्चे कैंडी पर झगड़ रहे थे. The kids were squabbling over a candy. The word is squabbling. The word is squabbling. बच्चे कैंडी पर झगड़ रहे थे. The kids were squabbling over a candy. Okay, this is going to be the last one, I guess. Oh, झगड़ा बंद करो तुम दोनों. Oh, stop bickering, you two. Oh, झगड़ा बंद करो तुम दोनों. Oh, stop bickering, you two. Oh, stop bickering, you two. Stop bickering, you two. So guys, this is all about today's lecture. I hope it's quite interesting for you guys. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Khatri and press the bell icon. Thank you.